Hello students. So today we are going to learn about quick method to balance chemical equation. So basically there are 5 kinds of chemical reactions are there. One is combustion, combination. Combination it is also known as synthesis reaction, single replacement, double replacement and decomposition. Combination means synthesis, single replacement, double replacement, decomposition and combustion. So if you look at this picture, there are two sides you can observe. One is left hand side and other one is right hand side. So the left hand side, it consists of reactant part of any chemical reaction, and on the right hand side there is the product side of the chemical reaction. So in case of synthesis or the combination reaction, when these two reactants they react with each other or they will combine with each other, they will synthesize a product. So that's why this reaction is known as synthesis reaction or the combination reaction. So when A one reactant, B is other kind of reactant, when these two reactants react with each other, they will form a product. In case of decomposition, you can observe here, when one component, when that component broken down into two separate products, that kind of reaction is known as decomposition. Now the third kind of reaction is single replacement reaction. AB is one component and C is other reactant. So AB is one reactant, C is other reactant. When this C replace B, when this C replace B, okay, so here one component replace other component, okay. So this kind of reaction is known as single replacement reaction, because one reactant replace other reactant or other part of reactant, okay. So this reaction is known as single replacement reaction. Next is double replacement reaction. Now look at here, two reactants AB, CD, okay. When C replace B and B replace D, C replace B and then B will join to D. So here there is double replacement, there is twice time component replace each other, okay. So this kind of reaction is known as double replacement. So now look at here, a chemical reaction may be regarded as the process that occurs when matter undergoes change in composition. To be able to understand chemical reactions, one needs to recognize the key types of reactions. Reactions may be classified into several different ways, namely synthesis means the combination, decomposition reaction, substitution reaction means the single replacement reaction, precipitation reaction is the double replacement reaction, neutralization in case of acid base reaction, redox that is reduction and oxidation. So up to now we'll discuss about 5 kinds of reaction, that is synthesis, decomposition, single replacement and the double replacement. So only one part. Look at here the definition. Synthesis or the combination reaction in which two or more simpler substances, yes, reactants are nothing but substances, when they combine chemically to give a compound. So A and B, two different substances or two different reactants, when they will react with each other they will form a product, okay. So they will combine and they synthesize a product, that's why it is synthesis and the combination. So 2H2 is one reactant or the substance, when they react with oxygen gas they will form a water, okay. So this is one reaction. Decomposition, a reaction in which a compound is broken down into simpler substances. It is known as decomposition. One substance is broken down into two different parts, one reactant broken down, and it will give two different products. It is called as decomposition. Okay. Then 2H2O, when water molecule, when we heat that water molecule, then what will happen? The H2 and O2, they will broken down separately. This H2O is broken down and H2 and oxygen gas will separate out. Okay, so it is known as decomposition. Single replacement, reaction in which an atom or group of atoms is replaced by another atom or group. Okay, so here A plus BC, here A replace B, so B will separate out. A plus BC, so here A replace B, so BA plus C. So such kind of reaction, single replacement. In double replacement, both reactants, one part of one reactant replace other part of other reactant. It is known as double replacement reaction. Okay. So now we'll move to one important part, that is how to balance a chemical equation. So look at here, CH4, that is methane, plus O2, oxygen, it will give CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and water molecule. Now look at here, we have to observe reactant part and then we have to observe product part. So one carbon, yes, one carbon. In case of product, look at here, there is also one carbon. Here H4 means how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Okay. O2, how many oxygen molecules? 2. Okay. 2 atoms, one carbon atom, 4 hydrogen atom, and 2 oxygen atom. Look at product part, one carbon, yeah, it's okay, one carbon. Here how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, and 3 oxygen. So tell me whether this reaction is balanced or unbalanced. Yeah, if we look at this hydrogen and the oxygen part, the reaction is unbalanced. So we have to take here 2. So the hydrogen will be 4 now. Okay, so 2H2O, but the oxygen number will vary. Here if we take 2, then 2O plus 2O, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen, and in the reactant part there is only 2 oxygen. So here also we have to write 2O2. Then tell me the reaction, CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2O. Okay, so write down this reaction in your notebook. Getting? Then one carbon, 4 hydrogen atom. After balancing the equation, the hydrogen number will be 4. 2 oxygen? No, 4 oxygen atom, and after balancing it will be 4 oxygen atoms. Getting? So reactant, it has to be equal with the product part. So to equalize it, we have to balance the chemical equation. Okay. Now balance unbalanced chemical equation. It is simpler one. Look at the reactant part, which is left hand side, Mg plus O2. So how many magnesium molecule atoms are there? 1, and oxygen 2. Okay, here MgO, Mg1, and O is also 1 at right hand side. So we have to balance this reaction. Okay, so to fulfill the oxygen, we have to write here 2. So 2 MgO, but in this case also there is 1 magnesium is there, so we have to write here 2. So 2 Mg plus O2, 2 Mg plus O2, it will give 2 MgO. After this, the reaction will be what? the Mg is 2 atom. After balancing the equation, Mg will become 2. Oxygen, how many? 2, and at right hand side also there is 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay, so reaction will be 2 Mg plus O2, 2 MgO. Okay, write in your notebook. N2 plus, before balancing H2, then NH3. Now balance the reaction. N2H3 previously, N1, then H3. So to balance this chemical equation, we have taken here 3H2 and 2, then it will become 2NH3. And after that the reaction will be balanced, means N2H6, N2 and H6. Okay, look at here, CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2O. So here just check out, carbon 1, hydrogen 4, oxygen 4. It has to be balanced with the product part C1H4O4. Okay, so in this way you have to balance your chemical reaction. Okay, now look at here, Fe2O3, C, FeCO2. What is Fe? Iron, O, oxygen, C for carbon. Okay, so Fe, it should be 4. Okay, O3, so here O2 is there, so we have to take here 2, then oxygen atom will be 6, so we have to take here 3, O2 means 6, overall 6 oxygen will be there. So F4, O6, C3, F4, O6, C3. So in this manner you have to balance your chemical equation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this session. If you feel any doubt, you feel free to call me or message me. Thank you so much.